The pineapple mango rum cocktail is so easy to make. It's not many ingredients and you will impress your friends. Of the coconut rum. You could also use light rum or dark rum for this. It's just personal preference. And then it takes 3 ounces of the pineapple mango juice. And these little cans are great, like if you're traveling or something. There's 6 ounces in 1 can, so you get 2 drinks. And then 1 ounce of orange juice. Once again, love these little bottles for traveling. And then a splash of Grenadine. Guys, I was so excited to make the drink, I totally forgot to put ice in first. Let me know how you like it in the comments, and don't forget to hit subscribe and like. Stay tipsy!